Muna.
Ano si Zia?
Ano ba? Mas lang ang meat.
Ba? Marunong siyang kumain mag-isa nila. Ang galing na ng Kaden.
Let me see. Let me see. Wow.
Ring soup.
I don't like that one. I fire Jackson.
No. You eat more before you
What?
you watch the fire
And
truck.
Pennywise, no.
Para ba? Sino ba yung Pennywise?
Ay, naku. Yun yung kumakain ng kids.
No?
Kids.
The Pennywise?
Yeah. They watch that Pennywise is
A magic. I'm rocks. A magic.
a magic.
A
Yeah.
magic.
Oh.
The Pennywise is the blue.
May baril sa Manila. Babarilin si Pennywise. Oh?
Ito daw yung...
Agarga.
Oo. It's a
Nauna
toy
yung...
gun.
Ano family?
Yung rice cooker nila pero ang ganda-ganda pa yung atin daw parang kinayod na ng... May bali sa amin naman na yan pag sabi ko sana
Look, Peppa Fire Jackson.
ang bilis daw ng lakad
No.
Wala. Oo. No! That is
Daddy cellphone.
cellphone. Oh, you might fall.
Daddy Lolo.
Daddy Lolo's cellphone.
This one in the taba in the ding dong.
Yeah,
Ano?
playing the ding dong. This one, ano na,
Doorbell.
doorbell is playing the ding dong.
Ah.
Let me take this.
Let me try.
No. Naku, wala na.
Ding dong, sabi niya.
Yes, that is the Pennywise song. That is the Pennywise. Go
bakit
in
yun?
the data song.
Ba't basa
A
siya?
Pennywise in the song.
Saan yung
The
galing ka basa?
here. A Pennywise song.
Mm.
This one in the
Oh, you
Pennywise
eat
song.
pa before you play that Pennywise,
Pennywise.
Stop
song.
dancing when you are eating.
Sino
Ay.
yung Pennywise? Yun yung kumakain ng kids?
Yeah.
Oh, ano ko, nakakatakot pala yung
I
Pennywise.
said no. I said the mountain.
You might fall. You
the mountain. I said the mountain. The Pennywise is the forest and the water. It's a mountain.
Ano
Sa
daw yun?
magic.
Sa magic.
Yeah. Galingan mong magkain
Ayun yung kinakatakutan nila na Pennywise.
Yeah. You do
Why?
Kumakain ng kid yung Pennywise kayo din? Saan nila yung napanood?
sa TV. Netflix yata yun.
Mhm.
Every time the clown is
Ay, clown siya.
binubuli nila, kumakain siya
Ng kid.
ng kids. And then,
Oh.
pag may gusto siyang kids,
Hmm.
nilalaro niya and then papupuntahin niya sa...
Bahay.
Oo. Kung sino yung takot na takot, yun ang kinukuha niya. Yung natatakot.
Eh si Kaden hindi natatakot.
Gustong gusto niya yung batang natatakot.
Mhm. Napanood din ni Kaden.
Kaya nga takot
Kaya
siya
pala. Sila pati mga bata sa labas, alam nila yun.
Ha? Talaga?
Soup pa, soup.
You like more soup Oh, no, you don't like na?
Sugod.
Oh?
Wipe.
Tama
Wipe.
na?
We have no wipes here.
Wipe.
Wala kaming wipes. Nasa
Wala
na
tayong tissue.
Wala nga tissue.
Wala dito?
Wala. Ay, yan. Sige. Yung tissue dyan. Apo,
Lahat tissue.
hami nga restaurant datoy. Tanong biro ka ti tissue.
Tissue.
Yamatan.
Nyamitten.
Kailangan niya ng tissue, Manila. Disente siya eh. See?
Nakaararte.
Told nyo.